Hey everyone, in this video, we're talking about something that's different in the state of North Carolina than most states you buy a home in. We're not gonna make you wait. Let's get right into it. We know you're busy. Before you make an offer, you need to know that homes are sold as is here in North Carolina. So what that means, you start by giving the seller a due diligence check, which could be $15,000, $20,000, even $100,000. And if a big problem comes up during the inspection, or if your appraisal comes in short, you'll lose that due diligence money because it's non-refundable. That, or you'll have to fix the repair or come up with the difference for the funds for the short appraisal. We're going to be talking about more of what this means for you, but first, don't forget to click anytime and hit the blue Get Started button where we help you avoid mistakes like this and simplify the purchase process for you. It only takes 35 seconds to get signed up and get in contact with us, so don't wait. And now, more about homes being sold as is in North Carolina. Here in Raleigh presently, the median days on market is 3 days, and 25% of the homes are being sold sight unseen. So this competitive pressure is allowing sellers to demand high due diligence checks. We don't want you to lose tens of thousands of dollars in due diligence funds because of a simple mistake. So it's critically important that you do your due diligence before you submit a non-refundable check. Here's some tips that will dramatically reduce the risk of you running into any problems during the buying process. Tip number 1, do a self-home inspection. This helps you identify any obvious problems because it forces you to stop and check each particular key item in the home. We provide you with a checklist of key items to review to make certain that the home is up to snuff. Tip number 2, make certain that your offer is not at risk of a short appraisal. The way we advise you to handle this is we give you a list of recent comparable home sales based on your home criteria. This allows you to, in advance of your offer, to become knowledgeable of both the neighborhoods and the specific homes, so you know exactly what the home value is prior to you making an offer. This significantly reduces the risk of overbidding and encountering a short appraisal because bank appraisers go through the exact same process of reviewing the home against recent comparable sold homes. Tip number 3, when you're buying a home in a subdivision, oftentimes there are a number of similar homes that have been sold over the past 6 months. When you review those homes and check for seller concessions related to repair issues, oftentimes you can find specific problems that are reoccurring in the neighborhood in those homes. That way, you know what the problem is and whether or not the seller has already addressed it. Those are our 3 tips we encourage you to focus on to protect your due diligence funds. So be sure and check our other videos where we provide you negotiating tips on how to protect yourselves in this challenging buyer's market. Thanks for staying to the end. Make sure you're subscribed and don't forget to click to our website. See you over there and get ready to buy your Raleigh-Durham home like a pro.